Hey, my name is Matt Fawcett. I am here at InfoComm 2026 with Flat Panel Audio, and I'm here to show you our beautiful DML500s. This is a distributed mode loudspeaker, and what makes it unique and special is every other loudspeaker is designed to try to get direct sound to people's ears as quickly as possible and ignore the room, whereas this, we are doing the exact opposite. We are trying to get into the reverberant space as fast as possible, where we stabilize so we have extreme intelligibility while also remaining immersive, so people can hear a stereo image no matter what seat they're sitting in. It has 165-degree dispersion, both forwards and backwards. It is a dipole. It's 123 dB at 1 meter, which sounds like an absolute train wreck if you're trying to do it with traditional speakers. However, when we go into reverberant spaces, because we're going into the reverberant field as fast as possible, it's creating diffuse, uncorrelated audio, meaning our sound waves, as soon as they hit a hard, flat surface, continue to diffuse and break up across the entire space, meaning that the room actually helps us transmit sound more evenly throughout the entire venue. So if you're in gymnasiums, natatoriums, museums, aquariums, any place where the room is beautiful and the audio is horrible, this is going to be your immediate solution for being able to deploy it in a way that allows you to have a beautiful space without having to put a ton of acoustic treatment in there, but also have beautiful sound as well. So your audio will match your room. So feel free to visit us at flatpanelaudio.com if you want more information about the DML500. We'd love to share it with you and make your room sound as beautiful as it looks.